Next, we'll look at our addition rules of probability. And before we can define those, we need to define something called mutually exclusive. Mutually exclusive events are events that cannot occur together. When I'm rolling a dice, rolling a 3 and a 6 on the same die would be impossible, so those would be mutually exclusive. However, selecting a person at random from your school that is a female and a sophomore, those would not be mutually exclusive because someone could be both. And our addition rule is going to deal when we're doing or, the probability of either A or B happening. If we're mutually exclusive, this is the probability of A plus the probability of B. We just add the two. If we're not mutually exclusive, if it is possible for both things to happen at once, then we'll have to have the probability of A plus the probability of B minus the probability of A and B. The idea is I've already included it in A and in B, so I've included some things twice and I need to subtract them back out. Now let's look at some examples. Let's suppose I rolled 2 dice and I want to know the chance of rolling either a sum of 7 or 5. Well, first let's think of all the ways to add up to be 7. I could have a 1 and a 6, 2 and 5, 3 and 4, 4 and 3, 5 and 2, and a 6 and a 1. For a sum of 5, I could have a 1 and a 4, a 2 and a 3, a 3 and a 2, and a 4 and a 1. These are mutually exclusive since I can't roll both a 7 and a 5 at the same time. So for 7, there are 6 ways out of a total of 36 die rolls. For 5, there are a total of 4 ways. So I have 10 out of 36, or if we want to reduce this, 5 out of 18. Let's look at another one. Let's suppose that we're a tutor and we know that 75% of our students need help in math, 60% need help in English, and 40% need help in both. Well, what's the chance that someone at random needs help in math or English? Well, we know the probability that they need help in math is 75%, plus the probability that they need help in English, which is 60%. However, if someone needs help in both math and English, we've now counted them twice. If we try to just add up these numbers, we have something over 100%. So we need to subtract out the people that we've counted twice, 40%. So now we have 75 plus 60 minus 40 gives us 95%. So 95% of our students need help in either math or in English.